Hello everyone, myself M. Revant and from CATB department studying first year in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today's my topic is structures with an example topics. Subject name, introduction to programming, and let us know about it. Structures, a small introduction about it. Introduction of structures in C. Structures in C allow the grouping different data types under one frame, one number, or one name. They help to represent real world entities like hospital records, student information, and employee details. What is a structure? In a structure, struct is a user-defined data type that groups related variables of different data types under a single name. Here, struct means a keyword of used in structure. It is used in representing in a real-world entity and multiple attributes like int, float, char, double, void, null, etc. These are the keywords. Syntax slide. The keyword of struct is struct and block of the member declaration ending with a semicolon. Example, struct student char name 20 semicolon int roll semicolon float marks semicolon close brackets semicolon. Here struct means keyword of the structure, char means characters like A, B, C, D and so on. Int roll means integers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Float means decimals like 3.14, 1.414 and so on. Creating and accessing of variables. Declare variables like struct, student structure S1 and accessing members using the dot operator. Assigning one structure variable to another of the same type is allowed, and structures can be passed to functions by value or a bind or by a pointer. Structure for hospital. It defines hospital data like hospital name, location, name of number of beds, and specialty. It is useful for storing hospital related data. Example, struct hospital, care name 50, care location 50, integer number of beds, semicolon, care specialty 50, semicolon, close bracket, semicolon. Here, struct means a keyword of structure. Care means characters like A, B, C, D, and so on. Int means integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Structure for student defines data related to students such as student ID, name, marks, useful for managing the student records like present tense, ID numbers, pass or fail, marks, and so on. Here is the code for student, struct student int ID, semicolon, car name 50, semicolon, int age, semicolon, float marks, semicolon, close bracket, semicolon. Here hinting age means you can give the age of the student. Structure for employee defines employee data like employee ID, name, department, and salary details. It helps in managing the employee information in organizations. Examples like student struct employee open brackets int ID same column care name 50 same column care department 30 same column float salary same column and closer brackets semicolon. Here 50 and 30 are the size of the characteristics like A, B, C, D and so on. You can give up to 50 letters or 50 letters to that particular structure. Initialization and accessing of hospital. This is the code that I provide for this structure of hospital. You can go and run in compiler. Initialization of student. This is the code for the student structure and this is the code for the employee structure. Advantages of structures. Structures improve the data organizations, make code more readable and easy way, allow easy management of complex data in C programming. Structures organize complex heterogeneous data clearly, meaning making code and reading code easier to maintain. These are widely used for records and they form basic for more advanced concepts like objectives and classes in other languages. Conclusion of the structures. Structures are fundamental in C program. It is used to represent real world entities data efficiently. The domains like hospital management, student records, and employee salary, employee preparation, employee mobile numbers, etc., can be concluded in it. Thank you.